So let us see some more examples. Okay, let's look at this example where there is a ladder. The length of the ladder is 25 feet. Okay, it is leaning against a wall. This is the wall, the vertical line is the wall. Okay, and x is the distance between the wall and the bottom of the ladder. You see that? This distance is x. Okay, when the ladder slide down, you see, when the ladder slide down, then the x distance will increase, right? Because it will go away and away from the wall. Okay, so when it slides, the ladder is the distance, this distance x is increasing. So here r is the rate of sliding down, given by r equals to 2x over 625 minus x squared. This is given to you. R is the rate at which, this is feet per second. Okay, so r is given by 2x over square root of 625 minus x squared given. So the question is, find r when x equals to 15. What do you get? When x equals to 15, what do you get? R will be 2 times 15. You see that? Divide by under the root 625 minus 15 square is 225. You see that? So how much is that? It is 30 over 625 minus 225 is how much? So it is root under 400, right? Root under 400 is basically 20. So basically you get, this is 3 over 2 when you divide by 10, right? So that is the R, that is the rate of change when this is sliding down. So this is the rate of change of the height. Okay, next is find r when x goes to 25 from the left. When x is going to 25 from the left, how much would that the r be? So it is asking limit x tends to 25 from the left. Okay, 2x over under the root 625 minus x square. So what do you think? So this value 25, x is going to 25 from the left, meaning from the smaller values than 25, right? It will be x equals 24, 24.5, 24.6, 24.7, 8, 9, and then 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. In all cases, that difference will be positive, right? Because 625 minus smaller values. So that will be 25, that will be positive. But here it will be 50, right? Divide by, this will be 0 but from the positive, because it will like 0.05, 0.01, 0.001, 0.0001 like that, right? Because you are going to, x values are going to 25 from the left, so the difference will be positive at that time, so it is positive 0, so it is positive infinity. Okay, so if it was x squared minus 625 and if you are going to left, in that case that will be negative there, because the difference will be negative at that time. But here, since the 25, the x is going to 25 from the smaller value than 25, then it is, that will be like 24 square and 24.5 square, 24.6 square, 24.9 square, 24.999 square, and so on. At that time, every time it will be positive. So 50 over 0, but it is the positive 50 over 0, positive sign. Okay, so it is positive infinity. Let us look at another example. Limit x tends to c, fx is given as positive infinity, and limit x tends to c, gx is given as negative 2. So what is that limit? Fx plus gx. It will be positive infinity minus 2. That will be positive infinity, right? Fx times gx is infinity times negative 2. That will be negative infinity, because you are multiplying by a negative number. Gx is negative 2 over positive infinity. So if you divide a number by a big number, your value is almost 0, right? Whether it is positive big number or negative positive 2 over negative 2, if you are dividing by a very big number, the ratio will be very small, that is almost 0. So this is how we find out the limits, infinite limits. Thank you guys.